Welcome to Smart Investor. My name is Ganesh. Today, I'm going to present you an interesting report. 5 months back, I have taken a trade and I have shared the trade to in Telegram group. I also recorded a video on that explaining that why I have taken this trade, what are the reasons and what are the permutations and combinations. I have very well explained all the details. So this strategy, what has happened last week on Thursday, 23rd, I have closed it with around 42% return. Yeah, this is the trade. On Thursday, before I close the trade, if you see this one, right, it is showing 42%, right? You see, it was showing 42% return and key highlights. So here you can see, right, all the details. If you see, uh, I initiated this trade in January 2024. I added any adjustment, zero adjustments, and zero screen time. So every month it is giving like 6 to 7%. By the time I close this trade, it came to around per month 8%. If we add per month 8%, 5 months, it comes to 40%. But actually, I have closed this trade at 42%, which is more than 8%, which is translated to annum. It comes to around 100% per annum. What else? What trade? What strategy we need? So this trade, when I took, I explained all the details, right? And if you see this trading closing values, right? This is the values I have closed at price. This one. So this strategy is I discussed this in the. I'll show you what was the strategy that I discussed in the. Yeah. If you see here, this is the trade I have discussed. I also, so for more about this strategy and all the details, I request you to go through this trade once again to understand. Right. So title is Option Strategy for Elections 2024. Just before a week before the election results out, I have closed this trade. This was recorded 4 months ago. I took this trade around 5 months back. So this is a trade. Now I will show you that I will close this trade in front of you. I already closed, but in sensible, I just show you uh, while I close this trade. And this is nothing but just very simply, I want to tell you, brief you what was the strategy all about that. I took selling June 22,000 put option. I'm buying 22,000 put option, which means this is a calendar spread, right? June, December calendar spread, I took it. You may ask, what is 21,000 put option? It just before market has fallen below 22,000, right? Recently correction. Before that, just to encash the volatility, and of course to have a downside support, I just took 21,000 two lots, I mean 50% of the quantity. I took it for just for protection downside, as well as due to election volatility would increase. Means due to VIX would go high, right? So just to have a more profit to add this strategy, I bought two lots. That was the change. Other than that, no other changes I made, no adjustments. I never watched it. I just always ignored it. Market, we know last 5 months, it has taken all up and down like this, right? But just I never bothered about this. I was holding this strategy for last 5 months without any hurdles. So on last Thursday, I closed it. I just entered this, what I have closed. I know, I remember values, 424, 222. Yeah, this is this 253, closed at 253. This is at 424. This is at 222, I think, right? Yeah, 222. June option closed at 222. That's it. This is the values I closed. That's all. So total profit, what I got, 20,300. That's all. So that's all about this strategy and update. I didn't want to discuss again all the details about this trade, but I just tell you why I closed it. So it is already giving more than 40%. There is no point of holding this strategy, right? So due to bigger event in election, there is no point holding this strategy expecting to give more profit. Of course, if I hold this strategy till June month, I would get more profit if spot expires at 22,000 or like slightly above that. But I don't want to take that much risk anymore, which I am getting already more than 42%. What more I am looking for? I don't want to give that profit back in worst case. So since I have been holding this for last 5 months, it is giving a good profit. I just close it so that I will be free for the election period. I don't want to worry that. Of course, I can convert this strategy to completely lossless, but my motto is I don't want to give up this profit what I have seen till date. That's why I close it. Hope this video is useful to you that. And more to understand, just watch the previous video about this strategy. Please do subscribe if you don't yet, and like the button and share it to your friends if you feel this video is useful to you that.